Hey sweetie fam, I'm Patra.pearson, Denise, produced by Denise Productions, and your very plus size stylist is back with another sneaker review, y'all, and I'm super excited about this review. So let's just get right into this video. If you haven't been here before, go down to the subscribe button and click the bell so you can be notified, because I do drop a video every Tuesday and Thursday. Yes, I decided, and I'm deciding both days at 4 p.m. 10 p.m. is not giving what it's supposed to give. It's just not. Okay, so if you don't care about the days and the time, just click the bell, because then that allows you to be notified. The boys at the gate came calling. Chicken salad. I know. Okay, listen. I got reached out to by DH Gate to be an affiliate, and I was just like, yeah. Now, I'm gonna make this clear here. All of my sneakers on my wall are from a retail store. Champs, Kids Foot Locker, JD Sports, Finish Line, okay? It's giving all of that. Sneakers at Nike. However, I will not be getting these type of sneakers from DHgate. I will be getting purses, maybe electronics, designer sneakers, Gucci, Balenciaga, Prada, stuff like that. But I will not be getting Nike. Any of the Nike brands. I may get Yeezy. I ain't gonna front on that. However, but I'll let you know, like, I'm just gonna be honest. But everything on my wall was from a retailer, and everything that I will continue to get will be from a retailer, because that's just what I like. I'm using DHgate for something else, not for my sneaker collection. Now, for my luxury sneaker collection, that's another story, okay? You get it. So, as y'all know, I'm a mom. I have 3 children, and my oldest child, who's my only son, he will be graduating in 2024. So I'm preparing already. Like, I'm like, yeah, like, let's go. He will be taking his senior pictures, booked already. Well, one session is, the outside session is booked already. I'm doing an inside session with another photographer. But the inside session is booked, the outside session is booked. It's my oldest son. It's my only son. It's my oldest child. I won't be doing the graduation or any form of these festivities for another 8 years, okay? Because my next child is 10. Well, will be 10 when my son graduates. So, I decided to dig deep, okay? I decided to use my DHgate affiliate, okay, to grab my son some sneakers. Now here's the thing, I would never buy these type of shoes from a retailer, because the gate keep gating, and that's my thing. Now, y'all know the gate do this thing. The gate, listen, at least I got a box, right? I've seen some, they just get shoes and bubble wrap. Baby, I got a box. And if you know, baby, this right here gives it a 7 out of 10. Just straight out the fact. Now, the box ain't at the best condition, but it's for my son, and I will be getting a few more pairs for my son, different styles. I'll probably get some Gucci pair, and maybe if I can get a Louis Vuitton boot for him, I may get that, but I may not. Okay, we'll see. But this is the first pair, and I've never had a pair of luxury sneakers, so I'm used to it being like a patch here saying exactly what it is, but as you see, that's not that. Balenciaga is on the front, and I wanted to get him a pair that he could wear like with more than one outfit, so when he takes his senior pictures, he can switch up the outfit but keep the shoes. Y'all see the vibe I'm going with here, okay? And we're just getting right into it. When the box came, I was like, I don't know who's this from, and as I opened it up, I seen it was the Balenciaga, so I was really excited. So this is the inside of the shoe, okay? Y'all, I did show him the shoes, y'all, and he wanted to wear them like to school the next day. He's like, well, what is Balenciaga? And I was like, well, it's a luxury brand. I showed him how much they cost. They cost about $1,200, and he was like, oh my God, we really paid for them. I said, yes. I said, however, you about to be a senior, and babe, we're going all out. We are going all out. They did come nicely wrapped. There's no smells. And I didn't take them out the plastic yet, because I wanted to show you guys what they look like first. And then once I take them out the plastic wrap, I will do an on foot for you, okay? Package well, like I said, there's no smell, so that's a good thing, because I'm big on presentation. But however, I know how DHgate works. So this is the other shoe, okay? Now here's the thing. I was a little nervous on the sizing, because as you know, the sizing is different. So for the size like 10 and 11, my son is like a 10 and a half, depending on the shoe, and 11, you get a between a 42 and a 44, and I got a 43, which is like smack dab in the middle. And so yeah, that is like a perfect like 10.5, 11. That's what you have to know when you ordering luxury shoes. They do not come in a size 8 in men's, 9 in men's. They come in 37, 36, so on and so forth. Ooh, now this is cute, y'all. I ain't gonna front, this is cute. Here's the thing, I'm not exactly sure how the inside is supposed to look. However, before I purchased this shoe, I did go and look at the sneaker in retail, on the retail website, I think on the Nordstrom website, and it is exactly the same. I literally did a whole view of what it's supposed to look like, and it's supposed to have the number on the toe. This particular shoe is definitely very clunky, and I'm thinking about getting myself some, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure yet, y'all. I'm not sure. These are actually pretty dope. They're pretty dope. They're a little bit clunky. It's giving senior citizen a little bit. However, they're Balenciaga. It's very clear. Okay, so so on the tongue it says triple S, and that's the part I'm gonna go and look at. Actually, we're gonna go and take a look at it right now. I also wanted to make sure that the triple S on the tongue was a part of the sneaker, and it is. So these are the, let me read it correctly, these are the triple S sneaker clear sole and white double foam mesh with the mesh. I looked at the entire sneaker on the Balenciaga website compared to the one on DHgate, and this, honestly, it is impeccable. Do you understand me? Impeccable. The sneaker on Balenciaga have this little flap, which I don't know what the flap is for, but I may have to do a little more research. It has like foam in the inside. My son said they were actually really comfortable when he tried them on, so I'm actually really excited for him. I'm excited to get some items to style this with, so we'll be doing a whole like senior picture haul when that time's come, but that'll be a few months down the line, since we will be taking pictures in the summer of 2023. Now, for the most part, I'm gonna give these a honestly like a 9.5 out of 10. The only issue I would see with these shoes is when they got dirty. So this is why I have been saving. I literally been keeping it in my office because I'm scared he gonna try to wear them to shoes, wear them to school. And yeah, I can't complain. I also want to know, are these real? Shoot, they are real shoestring hoes. Why would you use double shoestrings? I don't know. But this is the look of the shoe, y'all. I honestly cannot complain. I actually think they're really cute. I know a lot of people like don't like the chunky look, but it's actually cute to me. And I would love to have these in like a neutral color, like beige or brown, and then have a black pair as well, because I've been looking for a complete all black pair of shoes. Black shoestrings, black stitching, black shoe. I am affiliate of DHgate now, and I'm really excited about this journey I'm going to be on with them. So I'll be getting pretty much like a new product a month, or about like every 2.5, 3 weeks, which is really good. So the next pair of shoes, I may get some Ricks for myself, some Rick Owens for myself, or I may get me a bag. We'll see, y'all. We'll see what I have, what there is to offer. Click the link in my bio if you want to get these sneakers, and you know, y'all know I get commission off of you using that particular link, right? These were under $100, so yeah, that's definitely better than $1,200. If you know, you know. These shoes definitely, they give the vibes. They give the vibes. And so I'm really excited for my son to wear them for his senior pictures. And then you know what? I said I was gonna get some Ricks or a purse. I'm just gonna continue on with the gathering of my son's senior clothing for his senior pictures, and just because he's gonna have other senior moments. So I don't want him just to have one pair. I may get a black pair, or I may get, I don't think he's gonna care for Ricks, but I'm gonna show him what they look like. But I am gonna get some Gucci ones, probably a few pair of Gucci's and some Alexander McQueen's. So yeah, but y'all comment down below what y'all think. Are they giving grandma, or are they giving luxury? If you haven't been here before, go down to the subscribe button, click the bell so you can be notified, because I do drop a video every Tuesday and Thursday at 4 p.m. Okay. But if you don't care about the date of the time, click the bell so you can be notified. Okay. On this channel I talk about family, fashion, and lifestyle, and that is on period, because it's a place to be for all of that. I am her patient Denise, and y'all be sweet.